Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get shades or shaders on Roblox. Unfortunately, this option is not available in Roblox, but there are a few games where you can get shades by increasing your graphics. It's very simple, Mako. Just go to your menu and then go to your settings, scroll down, and you will see the graphics quality. Just simply improve the graphics quality, and that is it. And you will get shades or shaders in Roblox. But if you don't have any graphics card, or if you have very low GPU, so your game will face FPS drop once you are playing Roblox with high graphics. So if you have low configured PC, it's always recommended to play Roblox in low graphics where you will not find any shades or shaders. So as you can see, there is a shade in my character. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.